Fake news are all around us, whether on Twitter, Facebook, or even on serious-looking news pages. There is no way to get around them. But what exactly does fake news mean? How can you spot them? And, more importantly, stop them from spreading? Media scholar Nolan Higdon defines fake news as false or misleading content presented as news and communicated in formats spanning spoken, written, printed, electronic, and digital communication. The increase of fake news over the last years can mostly be observed on social media sites and are in most cases related to political topics. Sometimes these stories may be propaganda, intentionally designed to mislead the reader and distort the public discourse, but they could also be designed as clickbait, written for monetary gains, since the writer of the piece earns more money the more people click on their article. It has recently been observed that fake news stories have proliferated via social media, partly because they are so easily and quickly shared on these sites and apps, and also because it is hard to check the sources on sites such as Facebook or Instagram. Fake news have proven to be extremely harmful, as they have the potential to undermine the trust in media outlets that legitimately cover news. Effective strategies to spot and fight fake news are, for example, double-checking of sources and warning other people when you spot false information online and in real life. You need to actively confront false narratives when encountered and be very careful when it comes to information you share online. Fake news actively damage a democratic society and develop mistrust in serious media outlets, news sites, and politics, and are a threat to a vibrant and free society.